Hey guys, it's Dee here and I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm back with another art video, third one in a row. Like, what? Can I get a like? Can I get a subscribe? Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at dbeautyforever. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I think I said that already, but definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'm at 5.5 thousand subscribers right now, and it is amazing. It has been a great journey. Thank you guys so much for the support. Again, you already know I'm using my OHUHU markers. These are legit my favorite markers right now. This is just a little melanin picture that I saw on melanin. Well, yeah, it's full of melanin. What the hell? So anyway, this is a melanin picture that I saw up on Pinterest. And basically what I did is put my own little twist on it, added some chains, definitely went ham on the curly hair. So pretty. I think probably one of my best yet, and definitely more to come. The more you keep practicing, you guys, the better your craft is going to get, and I'm noticing that with each and every one of these videos I make. Other than that, I'm done speaking. I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said, because the family is growing. The beauty family is growing. The art family is growing. And I'm willing to share my talent with you guys. And I want to know all of your opinions on how you like to sketch or what's your process. So definitely comment down below.